Hello, my name is Vishnu and I just want to speak to you for the next 1 minute, so please do not skip this video. It's really important. The world is facing a global pandemic crisis right now, and medically we are suffering. There is a lot of demand for medical kits for doctors, healthcare officials and sanitization workers. But unfortunately, because of the global pandemic, the supply is not as much as we would like it to be. Therefore, there is a overhoarding of prices right now. So kits which was earlier sold at probably 5 rupees to 7 rupees to 8 rupees is now being sold at 30 rupees, 21 rupees to 30 rupees. Earlier what was being sold at 50 rupees is now being sold at 90 rupees to 150 rupees even. Whatever was sold at 450 to 500 rupees is being sold at 800 to 900 rupees right now. So there's an overhoarding of pricing because there's a lot of demand and there is very less supply. As a result of this, what is happening is that these kits are not landing up where it is required the most, which is frontline healthcare and sanitization workers. So the doctors are suffering without these kits, these medical equipments, and even more so the sanitization workers are also suffering. What we need is that these kits land up at the doctors or the healthcare officials or with the sanitization workers through minimal number of routes. That's how we can ensure that these prices are maintained and that we can give these to these medical officials at the lowest possible cost. So I would love to get in touch with you. So if you are looking to support or if you're looking to buy these medical kits and then give it away to these doctors and sanitization workers, please feel free to do so. These will be the lowest prices ever, and I'm going to work with multiple other manufacturers to ensure that we meet the demand at the lowest possible cost. So please get in touch with me and let's create a beautiful country with great medical support to the frontline workers.